Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend. Whenever you see this, I hope you are doing great and the day is beautiful. Have you heard of Fight Club? I feel like crafting. It's like that. So, first rule of sublimating, remember to mirror. First rule of t-shirt making, get your sizing down. So, you remember to mirror. You get your sizing down. And maybe you don't have a big fancy press. We can still make great things. If you're new here, hi, I'm Heather. So this is going to be a personal use project. This is going to my husband from me personally and not for sale. Found this on Google. I did everything I could to figure out how to not use Design Space to do this and ended up back in Design Space. I sliced this image 3 times to get this outcome. And if they can do this because I made 2 sliced images in their parameters, I mean, why can't they give us full page print and cut, right? Whatever. I'm not using the Cricut to cut these out, y'all, so hear me out. We took a Google image, we designed it in Cricut, we printed it through Cricut to the Epson Eco Tank, and I am going to slice this image apart, and then I'm going to tear the rest of my edges. I only am going to do that because so many folks have said that they get that brown edge from a sharp, clean cut, so we're not going to get that, I hope, on such a great gift to give. Have you seen these shirts in store? I have not seen them in store since summer. I had to order these on the Cricut clearance, and I'm getting kind of worried because these are a great shirt. My family likes these. My husband and my daughter both wear them. I have used Infusible ink to make 3 shirts for them so far, so this will be the 4th. Okay, y'all. Here we go. No turning back now. What do you think of that sizing? Okay, now we gotta line it up, and that's scary, but I think we can do it. Thank you so much for watching this. I really hope you like it and that you leave a comment and maybe you want to subscribe because I am on my way to 500, y'all. Oh my goodness. Thank you every single person who has subscribed. Thank you every single person who has ever liked, commented. I love y'all. I always get nervous right before I press something that's important to me that I'm giving somebody else. If I was pressing something for me or just like to try something new, I'd just go for it. Here we go. I put a lot of work into this. Respect to the original artist, 100. So I was like 13 when I first heard gangster rap. Okay, y'all. Oh my gosh. Woo! I'm going to break out the heat tape, which is pretty dusty because I don't actually use it that often. When I made my mugs, I didn't use any heat tape because I used Infusible ink and it hugged the mugs so perfectly. I didn't use any at all. And I see some people like they tape their mugs like a wild person. And I'm not judging because I am OCD to the max with a lot of things. Tape just isn't one of them, I guess. But I want to use this cover sheet because I want to protect my press. I put in the cardboard so I'm protecting the back of the shirt and my mat. No going back now, y'all. In it to win it. Nope. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to let it sit between each one. Like I'm literally not going to touch it. And then I'll just scooch it up. We'll do our next press. I'll scooch it up. We'll do our next press. We'll let it cool. This is so fun. I waited a year for this. I almost bought that printer last year when it was way more expensive than a different model, but it was hard to find, and then I found one at Target and the box was all beat up and I was like, forget that, and I waited all year. So if you're new here, we don't give up around here, and we kind of have to do things our own way because we don't have all the same things that would make it the easiest way, right? But I was really happy, and I really hope you have the best night, day, weekend. I really mean it.